I'm a bit of a Ryobi fan, and have collected a lot of tools over the years. So today, I'm organizing them with the help of my new tool organizer with charging station from Spampur. Now I can easily find the tool that I'm looking for, and keep my batteries charged. And this organizer comes shipped to your door, ready to store your tools as well. Cut open the box and lay out all the parts so you can see what's what. Inside, you can find your instruction manual, as well as your hardware. Installation is quick and painless. All you need that it doesn't come with is a drill. To get started, grab your middle section and bottom slots. Put the bottom slots on both sides of the middle support. Then put in a screw from one side through all three pieces and lock that down using a nut. Repeat that until all three pieces are connected and tightened down. Next, grab two of the green shelves and line them up with the middle piece in the same way. Bolt those down, then continue onto the last shelf. Bolt those down as well, and now we're going to put on the sides to connect the whole thing together. Make sure those are nice and secure, then carefully fold out the metal mounts on the side. And then we're ready for the power strip. Grab that, as well as the double-sided sticky strip. Peel that off, and then run it alongside the power strip. Then peel off the back, and stick it where you'd like it. And then we're ready to hang the tool organizer. Measure it out, and figure out where you'd like to hang it. Then you can bolt that down. After that's firmly on the wall, you can plug it in, and start loading it down. It can support up to 150 pounds, so I was able to store all of my tools. There was a place for everything. Most of my tools use the same battery, so I ran a battery charger through the organizer and plugged it into the power strip on top. Now I have a cool charging station and a place to hold all of my tools, and I couldn't be happier. I'm always working on a project around the farm, so this is going to help me be prepared and ready for my next project. My tools are easily accessible, and I always have a full battery ready to go. Too cool. And the best part is, whether you use Ryobi, Milwaukee, or DeWalt, they have a color to match your tools. Or, you can even go with plain black. So if you're looking to organize your tools in style as well, this tool organizer from Spampur might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get some work done. See ya.